Welcome to Board System Test Tour 92, so let's go ahead and get for our first notification appliance. We have a Gentex HG124R, and this device will be doing code 3. Instead of a smoke detector for this test, I have a system sensor heat detector. The model of this heat detector is 5601-P, and this is a rate of rise heat detector. For our second notification appliance, we have a Gentex GEC245075WR. This device will be doing 2400 Hz in set on fixed 1575 candela. We still have the system sensor carbon monoxide detector. The model of this detector is CO1224T. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have a Notifier BNG1TS, and on the right, we have a Edwards 279B-1120, and this is a keyed pull station. We will not be activating the duct detector in today's test. Before I begin today's test, I did want to note that I do have a trouble currently on the fire alarm control panel. This is a charger fault. I did replace the battery cable, which I thought the problem was. I had a bad battery cable, and to believe it or not, it was in bad shape, so I just ended up replacing it anyway. But what I have concluded is that batteries do need to be replaced, so I'm going to go out to the store at some point, and I'm going to buy brand new fire alarm batteries. These batteries were installed when I got the panel, which was a few years ago, so I think they're about overdue for some new batteries, so I will go ahead and replace them hopefully soon. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the Edwards pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. For our next test today, I'm going to activate this heat detector by just using a hairdryer. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hairdryer and point it up at the detector. Here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key, I'm going to turn it, I'm going to flip this up, reset the handles, I'm going to flip the switch down, just push the station back into place, and lock it back up. There we go. Just going to add my key right there. And as you can see, that is locked up. Usually you don't put the key right there, but because this is just a demo system, I will. You don't ever want to do that in a public building, especially because people can get the key and tamper with the alarms. You don't want that. Now I'm going to go in the main farm control panel, and I'm going to hit system reset. We have not tested the carbon monoxide detector in quite a while, so I figured we would go ahead and activate that today. So to activate it, all we're going to do is hit the button. Here we go. Alright, and the alarm is silenced, and there is nothing to reset, so I can just go ahead and reset the control panel. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to pull the notifier pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. and the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. So I can get it. Go on to turn it. Push the station back into place. There we go. And now I'm going to go in the main firearm control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset.